Okay, y'all. Another day, another dollar. So today was a weird day because, um, number one, we my scout bracket was on, which is not what I trade anymore. I trade my 1-to-1 bracket, which is my 200 ticks. You know, uh, my $105 on the live, and then but the scalp was an 80 tick. But as you see, it came to 80 ticks, maybe like 90 or 100, and then straight reverse. So I'm glad it actually saved me today, because that was a kind of bad entry. This is a 3-minute chart. It did not let me do 2 contracts on my Top Step account. I'm still gonna leave it the way it is and see if it'll let me do it tomorrow. But at least it still did one for me and not just did like a 0. So, and then obviously I made 80 on the live account, and then I made 300, 320 on the 150K, and then these are the 300Ks. So what I saw today though was on the 1 hour chart we had this big fair value gap. Now I was like, we could come higher into it, but boom. And so then when we came back up like we did, I was hoping this candle, this big white candle, came and took out this liquidity. I'm like, there's liquidity here, and it actually did not. That's why I was like, we're still probably gonna range. So we had this 5-minute little orb. It swept the bottom side, and then it finally pushed. But again, I wanted to get in low key at 9:30 because this was probably 200 ticks right here, and we came back up, and I wanted to get in here. Honestly, I wanted to get in here at the top of this candle on the 1 minute, but it went down, so it was nice. And then we finally are pushing up now for the rest of the day. And this is one of those examples where I say daily profiles can, like, because like we already had tapped in here at 9:30 multiple times, so I'm like, we should be going down the rest of the day to take out the sell side. But as you see, we're not. The daily profile literally failed us today. So that's why you always gotta be, aware and use your EMAs and do the things because of shit like this. This is a nice dip. We kind of came down already here, but it was given like we traded, and this was our manipulation up into a bearish fair value gap. Calm down, another bearish fair value gap to keep going lower. That's a prime, what it looks like for shorts. But I guess we're still gonna push. And this is also why I said I kind of thought about start trading again at 9:40, not 9:30. But at 9:30, you usually can get good volume and still get, your trade either way. But lately we've been coming down a little bit, 400, 500 ticks, and then going up at 9:40 for the rest of the day for more ticks. But like I said, I only need 200, so we're going down, a bunch of ticks. Then it doesn't matter to me. Let's see. Let's do the ruler, actually. If I got it right. Here, 30 bars, so that's 120 ticks. So yeah, I didn't get 200 this time at that point. So it is what it is. But the scalps actually saved my ass today. But it's still a win nonetheless. We still could go bearish, honestly. It could just want to pull up first. Take out some liquidity, which now it did. Take out that 5-minute liquidity. It took out the 3-minute one we just made, and then it just took out this one. So let's see if we finally push lower. I don't know. It's above me now, so. But yeah, I thought about, again, just getting back on at 9:40. Because you definitely get 200 ticks from here. Let's see it. And yeah, I'm really getting on trading on NinjaTrader only just so I can get rid of TradingView just to save some money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 57. So you got your 200 ticks on this up move. On the entry on this space of the candle, not this. Well, the close of this candle, not the opening of this candle, the close of this candle. Any one of these opens, you got your 200 ticks. So it is what it is. But we still gotta win, so we're gonna chalk it. We're gonna chalk it up to the game. I love that because actually it could have been worse. It actually could have been a lot worse. And this is why I say I'm kind of over this 1-minute chart too. Well, this is the 1-minute chart. Where do we enter on? I guess yeah, here on the 3-minute chart. So that's what it is. But another win today, nonetheless. So we're still knocking away at this challenge, and I am so happy. So hey, we'll take it and we'll take it.